Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the basics, then act. Power the phone off because you want clean detection. Once off, open the SIM tray using the ejector pin. Find the tiny hole at the frame. Insert the nanoSIM S into their labeled slots, metal contacts down. If using an eSIM, make sure your carrier provided an activation code or QR. After closing the tray, power on. This ensures the modem initializes both lines properly and avoids SIM recognition errors later. You now configure how each line behaves. Open Settings, tap Connections, then SIM Card Manager. You'll see both SIMs listed. Label them so you recognize personal versus work, and set the default for calls, texts, and mobile data separately. This matters because only one SIM handles LTE data at a time on many networks. Once done, set preferred network types per SIM and toggle data roaming if you travel. Make sure to test a call and an SMS so both lines are active and working. You finish by using and resolving common issues. When dialing, choose which SIM to use for that contact. You can change defaults in the phone app. If a SIM isn't detected, reboot first, then power down and reseat the tray. This solves most hardware alignment issues. If problems persist, confirm carrier activation, then reset network settings as a last resort. Note that resets remove saved Wi-Fi passwords. Finally, make a test call and send an SMS to verify both lines operate as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.